In this video, we'll learn how to easily split statement to invoices, split invoice to multiple payments, split invoice across businesses, and split invoice by page. Access the invoice queue through the Expense Management drop-down menu. Select the invoice you want to split and click on the Amount button on the right. Choose a split invoice from the options. There are 4 options to split an invoice. Split statement to invoices, split invoice to multiple payment, split invoice across businesses, split invoice by page. If you have a statement that covers multiple expenses that require individual invoices, you can use this feature. The process involves breaking down a combined bill or statement into separate invoices, each tailored to a specific transaction or charge. This allows you to manage the transactions separately rather than dealing with one big statement that includes several items or services. To begin, select Split Statement to Invoices. This action will navigate you to the dedicated splitting interface. Here, input the invoice date, invoice number, and the specific amount for each split. The interface displays fields for the invoice total, settlement amount, and any difference, assisting in precise allocation. Once done, click Continue. A confirmation pop-up will appear, acknowledging the split. After a brief wait, refresh your invoice queue. On reload, you'll observe the original statement now divided into individual invoices, reflecting the amounts you designated. Splitting invoices into multiple payments means dividing the total amount specified in an invoice into multiple installment payments. Instead of making a single payment for the entire invoice amount, the payer opts to split it into smaller, more manageable payments over a specified period. Click Split Invoice to Multiple Payments from the menu option. You will be directed to the Split Invoice to Multiple Payments window. Fill payment due date of the invoices and dollar amount. The invoice total, settlement amount, and difference fields are important for ensuring that the splitting of the invoice is accurate. To proceed, click on the Continue button. A pop-up window confirming the split shows up. After a few seconds, refresh the invoice queue. Upon reloading, you will see that the invoice has been split into multiple invoices with different payment due dates based on your entry. Choose this option to split an expense across multiple entities based on amounts or percentages of the total. Docket will automatically manage the due to and due from balance sheet accounts across the QBO of each entity. Click Split Invoice Across Businesses. Click on the Add Split button on the Split category screen. Choose the split method by percentage or amount by clicking the blue dollar or percentage button on the top right of the Split category screen. For each line, provide the following information: business, department, if applicable, chart of account, amount or percentage, and description for reference. Click on the Save button and follow the invoice verification process. It will create settlement items in the accounts payable section in the respective businesses. With this feature, every page from your original multi-page invoice is converted into an individual invoice within the queue. It's perfect for situations where your invoices span several pages and you need to handle each one independently. Once you've uploaded your multi-page PDF to the invoice queue, simply click on the amount field of the invoice and choose the Split Invoice by Pages option. You will enter the Split Invoice by Page window. In the top right corner, click Add Split below this page to initiate the split. Use the arrow button to move to the next page and click Add Split below this page again to continue splitting. Repeat these steps until you have split all the pages of the PDF. Click on Done when you have finished splitting the invoice. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.